Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fridge clean out. We are about to head away and I want to clean out the fridge and make sure it's all nice and tidy. We are going on a road trip in our caravan, so anything that I need to pop into the caravan that I can use, I bought containers to organize my fridge in there, so I'm going to pop them straight into that, so when I transfer it, it's all organized. And anything we need to eat up, I can prep so it's all beautiful and tidy for our return. And I've had these containers for a while. I've done a few fridge organizations, but I'm going to sort the fridge out how it's meant to be. I've been looking up on Pinterest, and there's certain ways that your food should be in your fridge to keep it fresh. And yeah, so ignore the little pitter patter of feet. That is Kobe walking in the background. A certain little ragdoll Lola is sitting up on top of the fridge. No, Tachi will move as soon as I open this for you. This part of the fridge, although it is fantastic for the kids to drink water, it just gets messy all the time. That's my one pet peeve. So I'm just opening it up and showing you what it looks like at the moment. Excuse me, Lola, I apologize, darling. But as you can see, everything has just been thrown in. I've even got a pumpkin soup that I made, and there's Isabel's popped it away and there's hardly anything in there, so I need to clean that out. But this is what it's looking like so far. Just it is bare, look at that. But yeah, I'm just going to reorganize all of this. Lola, what do you think? But anyway, that's what it's looking like. It's pretty bad. This is the freezer. So I've got a ton of ice bricks. It's not that bad, but you know how it gets grubby. I keep finding these in here. The girls must just freeze them. I don't know what they do. And then up here, this is all the meat, sorry if you're vegetarian, that we are taking in the caravan. And Chris and I bought it in bulk the other day, and we've just cryovac meals for each of us, well, not each of us, for each night, and these are going to go in containers and go in our freezer in our van. So these are the containers that I purchased for the van, and I've already got these in my freezer, and I picked them up from the reject shop. So I've got a few there, and I'm going to pop all the meat in that so it's easily transferred. And I bought these, and I have a few of them maybe in the fridge already, I can't remember, but I did buy these, and they're actually the stackable fridge drawers from Big W, but I've bought these to do the bathroom organisation because I like the idea of it being clearic, and I can have the sign, excuse all the wildlife in the background and the dog tapping on the ground. But I might use these as well, otherwise I will be using this for the bathroom organisation.
What you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feeling so ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from my saviors, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me, oh. False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. so many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you.
Is the end result. Now up here it's for Chris's beer. I did get these originally for kids like yogurts, but my kids don't really eat yogurts like that anymore, so I've just got that for Chris's beers. And then I've just popped these in to show that when I have fresh cut herbs, I pop some water in them, and then you can put the herbs in up the top. And the whole idea is to have your drinks and ready to eat food up the very top shelf, and herbs. And this is Kobe's dinner. He's it's in a container so it doesn't drip out, but I'll need to top that up before we leave for my dad to look after him. But that's where his food is stored. Normally my Diet Coke is stored there, but I need to restock. Down here is what we're having for dinners. So this is Isabel's tofu that she needs to eat. She opened not last night, the night before. And then in here I will pop what we're having for dinner, the meal prep, all ready to go, and that way I can pull it out and then plop it on the bench and prepare my meal. The yeast is just sitting there. It wouldn't fit up the top here, so I don't hardly ever use the yeast. And then these containers, I just pop this in to show you that this is what I cut up the fresh fruit, and I've got smaller ones too that can pop up here, and they're stackable. They're from Tupperware, and it's got all the different venting for them, and you pop a bit of paper towel in to absorb any moisture. I got that tip off a bowl of lemons to pop the paper towel in, but I will normally cut up fruit. That rock melon that I had is gross, but I would normally cut that up and prepare it, and my kids just snack on that. Down here I have the dairy, so you pop your dairy in the middle shelf. So this is my middle shelf. I've got the butter as well. Now I keep the grated cheeses in the bag because they're resealable, and just fold them over, and then once I open a block cheese, like this is the feta, I will put in these Tupperware containers, and that's the cheddar cheese there, and the nutlets, and the yogurt for our cereal. I have this soy milk, but we don't drink it, but I've just popped it in there to get rid of it. Isabel has her almond milk, and then here is where the milk stores now, and then the eggs. Now they say not to pop your milk on the door because this is where the door is mostly open, so it doesn't keep as well, but I did have like the soda stream and the wine there, and then all of the sauces, and then the spreads up here, and then down here I've just popped the fruit and vegetable in this. This is a pain. I must admit, this is a nice fridge. No, I didn't really wipe that well. I just hate how you cannot completely see how that is. It's all stuck in there. It doesn't matter how much I clean. So if you do have one of these Samsung fridges and you have a solution, I would love for you to tell me. There's more fruit and veg in there, and this is where the meats are stored. I'm going to get a container to pop them in case they leak. And this is Isabel's vegetarian meat in a container here. And over here I've just got the other condiments, mayonnaise, aioli and some lemon juice. But that is all the fridge. It is looking very bare. I can't wait to fill it up with fresh food. And down here, up the top, I have my coffee beans. The kids' ice bricks. I had a whole heap of ice bricks in here, but the only ice bricks we use are for the kids' lunches. We don't really have much frozen food. Veggies, only beans and peas, so they're in that container. Just bread when we've used it, and any chips and stuff left over in here. And this is all the meat that I've got for our trip. I just don't normally buy in big bulks of meat anyway. So the freezer would normally have like ice cream over this side, and then I want to do like a filing system with the meat, so I'll probably get a few of these containers for the meats, but they are for the caravan. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.